I have received a package with an eyepiece in it, and I'm going to open it and see what is it. So let's see what is inside. Oh, okay, this is an eyepiece. It's well packed. Now let's open. Okay, there is another layer of packaging, so I have to open this one also. Okay, let me remove this. This is written Edmund Industrial Optics RKE 28mm. Oh, that's a legendary eyepiece of the Edmunds, Spacewalk. Surprisingly, I have also the Plossl version of this Edmund eyepiece. So probably I have a good chance now to test them together. Looks nice. It's called Edmund's Industrial, so it is after that Edmund Scientific was closed. This is from the website. Nice eyepiece. Let me just use it in this Takashi clone, which is called Optic Star 90 RS f 5.5 AR 90S. Okay, 90mm f 5.5 achromat HO, something like that. So let's put this and see how it is. Oh, finally, I got a legend. Like that. Oh, the eyepiece disappears. What you see is just the stars. Wow. I've never seen such a thing. It must be around 50 degrees field of view. Well, it looks like 70 degrees. So that's amazing. Okay, I have now the RKE and the Plossl 28mm, both from Edmund Scientific. This one, the field of view is around 50, something like that. This one is similar probably, but with this you see actually the field stop. But with this one, the eyepiece almost disappears. Big eye relief also, this one, RKE. So, really impressed.